Hello everyone, welcome to Cherry's Smart Hub. In this video, we are going to solve Excel Ch05 ML1 real estate project. So in this project, we analyze real estate data using Microsoft Excel. We will calculate important values, organize the data in perform analysis using Subtotal and PivotTable feature. So let's start step by step. So in first step, I have to start Excel, download and open the file. I've already downloaded the file here, so we will move toward the second step. So in second step, in cell G2, in the sales subtotal sheet, insert a formula to calculate the selling price percentage after asking price. Format it with percentage type with one decimal place and then copy the formula down to the column. So in Excel, subtotal sheet in cell G2, we put the formula here is equal to selling price divided by asking price, press enter, and make it in a percentage style with one decimal point and down to the column. So step one is completed. We will move toward the third step. So in third step, in Solid 2, enter a formula to calculate the number of days between the listing date and sales date. Copy the formula down the column. So in cell J2, we put the formula here is equal to sales date minus listing date twice enter down to the last column. So step 2 is completed. So in step 4, sort the list by city in alphabetical order, then by selling agent in alphabetical order, and finally by listing date in chronological order, all the steps. So we will go to the data and we will sort the data, sort by the city, order A to Z, add level, then by we will have selling agent, then listing date in listeners. So at level, listing date is only all listeners. Okay, so step 4 is completed. In step 5, use a subtotal feature to calculate the average selling price, percentage of asking price, and days are marked by city. Ensure that summary below data is selected and then click OK. Be sure that only the range A1 to J88 is selected. Group the data using the auto all-in feature. Collapse the all-in to hide the listing date, listing and sales date. Click the outline symbol to display the required average and city average rows on it. So here in data, go to the subtotal. So at each change city using function average, select the selling price, percentage of asking price. Make sure to check the box replace current subtotals and summary below data. Press the OK. So be sure that only the range A1 to J88 is selected. So we will select the set range, center, and our set range is selected. So next, group the data using the auto outline feature. Collapse the outline to hide the listing and sales data. So we will go to data type. I have already here, so I just will go to the outline. Click the OK. Press this one. So here, step 5 is complete. So now Format the average days are marked as number with 0 decimal places. Apply wrap text in cell G1 and J1. Select a print area for the range C1 to J88. So select the range, go to the Home tab, go to the numbers, click on numbers, put on 0 decimal places and click OK. So we will have here 0 decimal points. Apply wrap text in cell G1 and J1. Set a print area for range C1 to J0. So select the G1 wrap text, G1 wrap text, select the range, select the range, select the range, press enter, go to the page layout, print area, set the print area. So in step 7, select individual column G and J and change the column width to 10. Change the row height to 24 for the first row. So select the column G, set the column width to 10, press OK. Select the column J, set the width 10, click OK. Select the row 1, select the width, row height to 24. Press OK. So in step 8, go to the cell C101, read the question and type the correct answer in the respective highlighted cells in the range G102 to G106. Do not copy and paste result from Subtotal. Type the numeric values rounded to the nearest whole number. So we will put the value here. Supply counted number format with 0 decimal places. Choose G102. Go to the Home tab. State, click on numbers, counting, and we will place it to 0 decimal point. Click OK. So next step, pivot tables help you analyze different perspectives of data. You will create a pivot table using the sales data worksheet. Click the sales data worksheet and create a blank pivot table and new worksheet. Name the new worksheet pivot table. Name the pivot table average city prices. So we will move toward the sales data sheet here. And we will create the go to the insert, click on recommended pivot table, click on the blank pivot table. So next we will have to rename this sheet to pivot table. We'll copy the name here, pivot table, and rename the name pivot table. So next, name the pivot table average city prices. So we will copy the name here. So here the pivot table name is average city prices. So step 9 is completed. Step number 10, you want the full solution of the assignment, do let me know in the comment box, or you can contact me. My contact details mentioned below in the description box. Stay connected for chapter 6. Thanks for watching.